Good day mga kabakyard. I-update ko lang po kayo sa aking Kids Entrepreneur Vlog. Ito na ngayon ang aking training. Nangunguha na ng kangkong para ipakain sa kanyang alagang manok. So guys, dream big and start small. Suntok sa buwan kong pangarap na ang batang ito ay matapos sa kanyang pag-aaral na isang businesswoman and millionaire. Kaya ngayon pa lang, inumpisahan ko na. Backyard, baka pwede nyo rin gawin sa sarili nyo. Umpisahan na natin. Ngayon na. Everyone, please keep on watching our videos para may i-update kayo sa aming mga ginagawa. Okay mga ka-backyard, good afternoon. Eli is here, Adi is here. They are preparing for the chicken food. What is that, Adi?
Malunggay and kangkong.
Is it a chop? Kangkong and malunggay?
Yep.
You're preparing for the chicken food.
Yes.
So what else are the other ingredients for your food?
Chicks like this. There's chick categories.
The smaller one.
Over there for the big chicks and this kind of chick.
So you're going to mix it now?
Yep.
Okay. So where's the... Oh no.
Ready this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna mix this for the big chick. And
So we are here in our chicken place. Eli and Adi is feeding now their chicken.
so ito na po.
So ito na, nag-i-enjoy lang sila sa pagpakain ng kanilang mga alaga. Di nila alam na nasa training na sila. So guys, do it yourselves. Count.
Kaya wala na ano ko sa
1, 2. Will you cover it?
bad guy daw sila, bad guy. Daddy!
So let us train our kids now.
Daddy's chicks are here.
Ups, no. Buila.
Doon! Oh. Sigad lang. The chicks na don't push him down. Okay, ready, set, smile. Can I see now?
Everyone, Eli and Adi is enjoying of what they are doing, and even they are keep on playing the chicks and the chicken.
Here's Daddy's chick. Here's smiling. Snow. We're not the violence. And violence.
It's time to play. It's time to teach and enjoy. Enjoy what you are doing in your backyard. Your backyard can be a good place to train your kids at any given time and let their kids enjoy what they are doing.
And then we're not the Saturday. Daddy's chicks are beautiful. And then he's so cute. Smiling.
As you can see guys, ito na yung mga produce namin. Maganda silang tingnan. Yung inahin, inaalagaan niya yung anak niya. So nakikita ko ito yung brooding time namin. Nakakasave kami sa kuryente kasi yung inahin lang yung nagbabantay sa kanyang anak in 1 week time bago namin siya ihiwalay doon sa kanyang sisiw. So yun yung mga magagandang bagay na nagawa namin and natutunan namin. I also learned on how to take care of the chick. So guys, patuloy lang tayong matuto, no? As you teach your kids, then learn also for yourself. Disclaimer lang po, ang ginagawa kong pagtuturo ng aking mga anak ay hindi natin makukuha sa school, but sarili lang po namin na pag-alam yung ginagawa namin. Kahit nasa enhanced quarantine tayo, gawin pa rin natin productive ang ating bawat araw. And para marami tayong matutunan at ang ating mga anak ay matuturuan din natin para sa kanilang kabutihan.
Please subscribe to our channel, hit that post notification bell, and please